Hello kids. Welcome back to your science lecture, and we were studying about air and atmosphere. Yes, we have seen about the composition of air and the properties of air. So now let us move further. Now today we are going to study about atmosphere. So now let us see what is atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. Yes, in the diagram, can you see a blue colored blanket which is surrounding our earth? That whole layer is known as atmosphere. This atmosphere protects us from the harmful effect of the sun and consists essential gases. So the main purpose of atmosphere is to protect our earth from harmful sun rays. The different layers of the atmosphere are held in their places due to Earth's gravitational force. So the atmosphere is made up of several layers. So now we are going to see these different layers. So the first layer is troposphere. Okay. So the atmospheric layer are and their importance. So our atmosphere exists like a thick layer of air around the earth. It can be divided into 5 different layers. How many layers are there? 5 different layers. So the first layer, first means which is nearest to the earth, is the troposphere. Okay. Now let us see about troposphere. This layer is closest to the earth and consists of air that we breathe. Yes, we are breathing in air. So that air is present in the troposphere. All weather changes and different stages of water cycle occur in this layer. So the weather changes that occurs in the troposphere only. And also the water cycle means the formation of clouds and the rainfall. This whole process takes place in the troposphere. Yes. Okay, now let us move further with the next layer. So the next layer is known as stratosphere. So now let us see what is present in the stratosphere. This layer helps to maintain the right temperature on the earth. So different places having different temperature. So stratosphere is responsible to maintain the whole temperature on the earth. It consists of the ozone layer which protects us by trapping harmful UV rays of the sun. So the most important thing which is present in stratosphere is the ozone layer. So what is the importance of ozone layer? This ozone layer protects our earth from the harmful rays, UV rays, which comes from the sun. Okay, so we have studied about 2 layers. You can see in the picture, the first is troposphere and the second layer is stratosphere. Okay, so now let us move further to the third layer. The third layer is the mesosphere. This layer protects us from meteors as most of them are burnt in this layer before hitting the earth's surface. Okay, so we know that from the universe certain burning bodies are coming. Yes, and they can come towards our earth and can damage the earth's surface. But these meteoroids are themselves destroyed in the mesosphere. So they cannot come and attack or harm our earth. Okay, so the main work of mesosphere is to protect our earth from meteors. Yes. Now the next layer. So the next layer is thermosphere. Thermosphere, most of the space stations are present in this layer. Space stations means our satellite. Yes, there are many satellites which are sent by different countries. Yes, for the forecasting of weather, we can know weather, to pass signals. We have sent so many satellites. So these satellites are present in the thermosphere. And the last layer is the exosphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. It consists of least amount of air. No air exists beyond this layer. So in this layer, a very little amount of air is present. Okay, so today we have studied about different types of layer which are present around our Earth's surface. So this blanket of air is known as atmosphere, and the atmosphere are again divided into different layers. So let us revise once more. The first layer is troposphere, then comes the stratosphere, then the mesosphere, then thermosphere, and then exosphere. Okay, so now rest of the chapter we will see in our next lecture. Till then, you all take care. Bye bye.